Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to fix too many attempts please try again later Telegram. First, go to your phone settings. Then search for date and time. Select automatic date and time from results. Then enable auto. If it is already enabled, then disable it first, and then enable it. If your problem is still not solved, then follow the next step. Go to your phone settings. The Go-To app. Then find the Telegram application, go on it. Then go to storage. And you have to clear cache. Go to permissions. You have to enable all the permissions from here. Method 3. Reinstall Telegram app. Go to Play Store application. Search for Telegram application. Uninstall it. Then reinstall Telegram on your phone. Finally, restart your phone. By doing this, your problem will definitely be solved.
Think about the times you let me go, falling through the cracks, emotional. I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your bed, silence breaks my heart.